young Jamaican men when do we hand over the wheel? And what's stopping us from taking it back? This weekend, everyone will be celebrating mothers, and rightfully so. But while we celebrate with them, we must face an uncomfortable truth. Too many of us, as men, have stepped back from our role and responsibilities as men, as fathers, as leaders. Jamaica has become a society where women carry the load raising children, holding households together, guiding boys into manhood, without the steady presence of men. Now a woman can be a good mother, a great mother, an exceptional mother, but what they cannot do is be father. There are things that are best taught by women, and there are things best taught by men, young Jamaican men. One thing I am sure is, it doesn't have to stay that way. There's a generation of boys waiting to see what real father looks like, what being a father really looks like. Not control, not dominance, but presence, purpose, leadership. Imagine a Jamaica where our sons learn how to be fathers, not from the struggle, but from example, where our daughters see what respect looks like by how their fathers treat their mothers and how their mothers treat their fathers, where men no longer run from responsibility, but run toward it. So, yes, celebrate Mother's Day, but brothers, take this moment to look in the mirror. Are you doing your part? Are you present in your home, your community, your own life? Let this not just be another Sunday. Let it be the day you decide to rise, not just as a man, but as a Black Jamaican man, with dignity, discipline, and direction.